Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamo, Mega favile zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siona blo, devinyelo, Toboli.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Thank you very much for clicking. I really appreciate you. Today we are cooking emakume and some okra. On my way to the market, we are going to get the ingredients. You know, emakume is very similar to the akume I always make, but this one is fermented and a lot of people like it over here. Let's go to the market and buy the ingredients and come back and cook.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamo, Mega favile zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siona blo, devinyelo.
So we are in the market and we are going to quickly buy everything. This is ginger for 100 francs, but you can get like 3 places for 250 francs. You know, ginger is always very cheap. I don't know why. There is no day you go to the market and they'll be like, no, ginger is expensive. It's always cheap, especially here in Togo. I don't know about other places. Even Cameroon, I know ginger is always cheap. Yeah, so I got ginger for 250 francs. That's like 3 places. And yeah, apart from that, I was getting onion as well. I can't imagine this is 500 francs for a pie. Like, you guys, onion is so expensive these days. If you see something this cheap, you just buy a lot. This is 500 francs, you all. Yeah, so I got onion here for 500 francs. So here I was getting fermented fufu. We have fufu from cassava, from meal, and from corn. So emakume is usually cassava mixed with corn. So I got emakume 250 francs with corn for 200, and totally I got everything for about 450 francs, and it was a good portion. Like, it was enough. I didn't know that it would be this much, but it was really good. So right here I was getting okra. Okra is getting expensive though, you guys. Can you see they are selling 5 pieces for 100 francs? I was like, what the heck is going on here? Yeah, so I got okra for 250 francs. It wasn't like a lot, but it was okay. And the garden egg you guys are seeing is 500. I remember like 2 weeks ago there was like I could buy a big bowl of garden egg for 500, but you guys, do you see how much garden egg you get for 500 these days? Because the dry season is really affecting, you know, the crops, and everything is getting expensive. Yeah, those are the tata. Those are the tata. Is this the Sansan franc? So I'm preparing this okra with some beef, and I went to get beef, and it's 2,250 francs for a kilo if you want the meat with some bones, but if you want just meat, it's 3,000 francs, meaning half kilo is our 1,500 francs. Yeah, I just like how fresh it is. as compared to other places I always buy. His made is always fresh, so that's why you will notice that I always come here. So we got everything we need for our recipe, and I'm heading home. So we finally made it home. These are some of the things I got in the market. I got some okra, 250 francs, green pepper, 150, cassava or agbelima. This is fermented cassava dough. I got this for 250 francs. We have fermented corn dough. This is 100 francs each, meaning my entire fufu package was 450 francs. And I got some meat and cow skin as well. And you all, let's go ahead and cook. A lot of people like eating emakume because it has a very nice texture as compared to the akume. It's like, I don't know, the dough is really good and it feels good in the mouth. So we have to take our time to clean the cow skin, you know, get rid of the burns and take out any extra hair that was left on it, like this right here. And wash it one more time. And wash the meat as well. Just adding some salt, the blended spices, adding some Maggi cubes, and we are good. So life in Togo is very simple. It depends on you. You know, for somebody like me, I like it over here because everything here is simple and it's quite peaceful as well. Yeah, so that's why I really like Togo. Charcoal is burning very well. I like it. This is what our protein is looking like. After boiling it for a while, I'll go ahead and add in some red oil. Yeah, so I like my red oil cooked, so I'm going to add some into the meat so that it can cook properly. Now I'll just go ahead and wash my okra. So let's cut the okra. You have to cut it as tiny as possible. Okra is getting so expensive. So to boil our okra, I'm adding in some limestone. It makes my okra very good, just the way I like it. Yeah. So I'm just going to heat up some water with some limestone, and later I will add in the okra. This is the okra right here, well chopped. I will add it as well. The water has been heating up for a while, and I'll go ahead and boil this. To get the best out of our okra, this is what we are going to do until it becomes very stretchy. Now I'm going to add in the okra. And our meal is almost ready. Oh, this is looking so yummy. I can't wait to try this with emakume. So this is what our okra is looking like. Go ahead and add in the onion and some pepper, green pepper, and it's almost ready. So this is our emakume right here, and we are going to dissolve it into a pot of water like this. And add the corn as well and dissolve everything together. This is similar to water fufu made with cassava, but with a touch of corn. Yeah, this is a lot though. It's a lot. I'm going to eat this for a week, I swear. So we are going to stir this constantly until we have a very nice fufu consistency, because if you don't stir constantly, it's going to create like lumps and it's very annoying. So you want to stir constantly until your fufu is ready. Yeah, it's already on the fire though, so all I need to do is stir. You will notice that it's starting to thicken. So I have to mix. This is hot. So if you notice that it's too hard, you can always go in and start some water. Unlike the akume, this one needs some energy. When it's ready, the color will be like translucent. going to let this cook for about 5 minutes, and I'll continue this time. If you look at our fufu right here, you can tell that it's almost ready. I would say it's half cooked. You still have to cook this for about 20 minutes. My mother-in-law once told me that if you want to know your fufu is ready, when you give it a touch like this, it shouldn't stick. But you can see something is still sticking, like it sticks. See? Meaning it's not ready. When it's ready, it will not stick. It's safe to say our emakume is ready. I wanted to say emakume. I've been cooking this for over an hour, you guys. Baby is ready. You can see that it's so I'll go ahead and serve myself some of the food. This is looking so good. I want some of the cow skin and some of the meat and pepper, of course. Now let's go ahead and try. This is so good. So delicious. Thank you, Father, for this meal you made us to see. You all are invited. You know, it feels so good to eat emakume. There is something special about it. It feels really good. I'm loving every part of it. In case you are visiting Togo, make sure you try emakume. You will love it. This is perfection. Let's give the meat a try. Really soft. Well spiced as well. So everything I spent to prepare this meal was like 5 USD. Yeah. Let's say 3,000 francs. The meat was 1,250. The cow skin was, let's say 250 francs, because I bought two that I used to have. 250 francs. And the okro was 350 francs. The emakume was 450. It's not even up to 5 USD. And yeah, we have a meal. And the emakume I prepared can serve around 4 people or 5. Yeah. I'm talking grown people, grown like adults. Because it's a lot. It's so delicious, you know. So delicious. I like it. Let me know if I did a good job in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe. And until next time, I have to say bye. Let me take down this camera and properly eat my food because I'm forming shy here. See me off camera when I'm swallowing it. Anyways, bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.